20 years ago, the internet changed the way humanity accessed information. It connected billions of people and transformed the way we learn, communicate, and work. Today, we may be witnessing the beginning of another technological revolution. Before smartphones, the world's knowledge wasn't in our pockets. The internet didn't just change technology. It changed civilization. Today, something even bigger may be unfolding. Not because of one AI. Not because of ChatGPT. But because thousands of AI systems are quietly becoming part of almost every industry. Right now, there are more than 14,000 AI tools helping people write books, design buildings, discover medicines, create films, analyze legal documents, develop software, teach students, and automate businesses. And that number continues to grow. The question is no longer whether AI will change our lives. The real question is, how fast? And if this AI explosion has already begun. What's coming next? Let's find out. From one chatbot to thousands of AI tools just a few years ago, most people knew only a handful of AI products. Then generative AI reached the mainstream. Instead of building every AI system from scratch, developers could build specialized applications on top of powerful foundation models. That dramatically reduced development time. Today, AI tools exist for almost every profession. Teachers use AI to prepare lessons. Hospitals are adopting AI because it can help clinicians handle growing workloads and process information more efficiently. From healthcare to law, programmers use AI to write and debug code. Architects generate building concepts. Businesses of every size are beginning to adopt AI. Even creative work is changing. Filmmakers generate storyboards. Designers now generate ideas in seconds instead of hours. What once required a team of specialists can now often begin with a single person using AI. This explains why the number of AI applications has grown so rapidly. Why is AI growing so fast? But something even more important is happening. AI isn't just becoming more powerful, it's becoming useful in everyday work. It's happening because several major trends are coming together. First, AI models are becoming more capable. Second, the cost of building AI-powered software has fallen dramatically compared with just a few years ago. Third, cloud computing allows developers to launch products globally without building their own infrastructure. And fourth, businesses now see AI as a strategic investment rather than an experiment. According to Gartner, worldwide AI spending is expected to exceed $2.5 trillion in 2026, with particularly rapid growth in AI infrastructure, software, and AI services. That investment isn't just funding chatbots. It's funding new data centers, specialized AI chips, cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, enterprise software, and the next generation of AI systems. But behind every AI conversation lies an enormous amount of computing power. The hidden AI race. When most people think about AI, they think about ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or image generators. But behind every AI conversation lies an enormous amount of computing power. Technology companies are investing billions in AI-optimized data centers, processors, networking equipment, and cloud infrastructure to support growing demand. Every answer requires thousands of calculations running across powerful computers. Instead of answering a single question, the next generation increasingly focuses on AI agents. These systems can complete multiple steps toward a goal, such as gathering information, drafting documents, interacting with software, or coordinating workflows, with human oversight where appropriate. Research suggests that tools using AI systems are becoming more action-oriented over time, although many challenges remain. The biggest shift may not be a smarter chatbot. The next generation isn't just answering questions. Scheduling, planning, searching, analyzing, automating routine tasks, without users even noticing. What could happen next? Now let's be careful. Nobody can predict the future with certainty. But current trends allow us to make reasonable projections. Instead of thousands of separate AI websites. So where does all of this lead? Word processors. The next phase of AI may not be about creating more apps. Email, video editing, healthcare systems, education platforms, financial software. The future may not involve opening an AI app. Instead, AI could become an invisible layer inside almost every digital service. Another likely trend. Many simple AI tools may disappear. Why? Because the future isn't about more AI tools. It's about AI becoming part of everything. We've seen this happen before in technology. When smartphones became powerful enough, many standalone devices became unnecessary. Something similar could happen in AI. Thousands of niche tools may merge, be acquired, or become features inside larger ecosystems. At the same time, entirely new categories will continue to emerge. Especially around AI agents, robotics, scientific research, healthcare, engineering, education, and business automation. The biggest misunderstanding about AI: many people still ask one question. Will AI replace humans? Some tasks may become automated. A better question is, which tasks can AI help people perform more efficiently? The future of AI isn't only about technology. Some jobs change dramatically. It's about people. New roles also emerge. Current research suggests that enterprise adoption is increasing, but deep integration remains far from universal, meaning many organizations are still experimenting and learning how to use AI effectively. The future may belong less to people who avoid AI, and more to people who learn when to use it, and when not to. Final verdict: AI isn't replacing humanity. It's about changing how we create, how we learn, how we work, and how we solve problems. Whether there are 20,000 AI tools, 50,000, or even more in the future. But the biggest transformation may not be the number of AI tools. It may be how quietly AI becomes part of everyday life. It will be how deeply AI becomes part of everyday life. So here's my question for you. What do you think the AI world will look like 5 years from now? Will AI become our greatest productivity partner? Or are we only beginning to understand its impact? It will become part of our homes. And if you enjoy thoughtful, fact-based videos about the future of AI, don't forget to subscribe. Because the next chapter of AI has only just begun. History rarely announces the beginning of a revolution. Most people only recognize it. Perhaps